Want to see side by side comparisons of this both the palettes on my cheeks? If yes, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today I'm going to show you a demo of a new launch product from Purplle. It is basically their blush palettes. Now guess what? I have purchased both the shades. Basically in the blush, Purplle has come out with a new blush palettes. In that they have two shades and I have got my hands on both the palettes. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Also, if you like, you can share the video. Right now, before moving ahead with the video, I would like to tell you my lipstick detail. One second, because I do get lot of comments asking about the lipstick. It is basically from the new launch, again from Stay Quirky. It is their Cutesy Tootsy Lip and Cheek Tint, and it is in the shade Scarlet Siren. This is what right now I am having on my lips, and the review as well as the demo of this particular product is already up on my channel. If possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can go ahead and you can watch the video. Scarlet Siren is on the lips. Yes, now we'll move towards the video. First we'll talk about the outer packaging. The outer packaging of the blush palette, it is kind of the Purplle prominent packaging, what you call. In the same packaging they have their eyebrow palette as well. I have already done a review of that also. Again, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can check. This is basically the outer packaging. It says Purplle blushing in multi hues matte blush palette. Net weight in this is 1.75 grams into 6. Total in one palette you are going to get the 6 shades. This is what the outer, like the front packaging. Now when you check the back side of the packaging, it says blushing in multi hues matte blush palette, silky smooth finish, enhances skin tones, imparts a radiant glow, easy blendable formula. Blushing cheeks, here we come. That is what basically the outer, like backside they say. Then they have the ingredients, no dusty. They have some key features or maybe some important points they manufactured, marketed and everything. Query and all, if you have, you can contact whom. Now we'll talk about the manufacturing. The manufacturing of this product is 222. That is, it is just recently manufactured. It is good till 7/24. So 22, 23 and 24, 6 months. So total 30 months of shelf life you are going to get in this particular product. And the MRP of this product is 549 rupees. But you all know Purplle has lot of sales and offers. I'll give you my referral code. It will be pinned in the comment section as well as it will be given in the description box. If you will use that code, you will get some discounts on your Elite membership, and the buying links and everything also will be pinned in the comment section, so you can go ahead and make your own purchase. I will suggest you, whenever you go and purchase any product from Purplle, just wait for the sale or offers, because they do have lots of sales and offers, and during sale and offers you will get the best price of the products. This is just I wanted to tell you, and this is made in India product. Again, if I have forgotten that, then it is made in India product. Now if you can check the back side, it is given each and every detail over here. Right, like if you check, all the details are given. Basically this is the outer packaging. When you check, it is kind of a slider formula. You just have to, like slider thing, you just have to slide it out. So this is basically the blush palette looks like. This is matte blush palette, and they have, as I told you, I'll tell you the variant if I have not told you. One is blushing in multi hues and the second one is blushing in berry. These are the two variants what is available right now. They say all the blushes are matte blush because it says matte blush palette. So when you check the inner packaging, it's kind of this way. You just have to open it. It comes with a plastic film as usual, and if you check over here, here they have mirror and here they have 6 shades. Okay, here it is the mirror. I won't show you the mirror, otherwise the reflection will come. And basically if you ask me the size of the palette, I would like to show you the size of the palette. It is almost 60% of my hand. These are my hands. So this is the size of the blush palette. And that is why right now you cannot see any cheek product, that is any blush on my face. So this is, I'll tell you, this is matte blush palette and it is in multi hues. These are the shades. In the end or wherever in the possible, I'll attach the hand swatches also, so you can go ahead and you can check the hand swatches if at all you want to see. And this is blush, this palette is blushing in berry. Right, so these are basically the two palettes. Now what we will do, I cannot swatch all the 6 shades on my cheeks because then the video will be too long and nobody is here for me for too long. Then what I'll do is, I'll select one shade from each palette and I'll apply on my cheeks, so that we will come to know the formula of the product as well. Right, so first we will take blushing in multi hues on the left hand side and blushing in berry will be on my right hand side, so you will have an idea. Okay, before moving ahead, the inner packaging, I forgot to tell you the inner packaging. This is the inner packaging. It is a magnetized packaging. It is a magnetized packaging. You just have to open, kind of a tech sound. So that is a magnetized packaging. It says purple matte blush palette, net weight they have given you. On the back side, it exactly resembles the outside covering. Exactly all the details are given over here. Suppose if at all you want to throw away, basically you should not throw away because otherwise this is a magnetized package. If at all this is occupying space, then you can throw away. Otherwise all the details and everything is mentioned on the back side of the palette. So it is a good thing that they have given you all the detailed information as well as the shade name and everything. One second, shade name they have not given. Matte blush palette. No, the shade name is not given. They just say matte blush palette, matte blush palette. No, there is no shade name specified. So you have to be very careful. If at all you have both the shades like me, then of course from the shades you can make out, but then you have to be very careful because from the outside you cannot make out unless and otherwise you have kept the outer packaging. Yeah, keep that thing in mind. Now what we will do is, as I told, I've given you all the information. Now what I'll do is, I'll take the NY Bay 2-in-1 brush. I've already done the review of this particular product. Again, if possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if at all you want it, you can go ahead and you can check. I'll just clean it up little bit. I have not yet washed because I have just used once or twice only. So I have just cleaned up on my napkin. I have taken and I can see there is no shade, like no color coming off. So I don't think there will be any problem of transferring the color of all other palettes. So if I take this, this is blushing in multi hues on my left hand side. Now I'll take this shade on my cheeks. Let's see how it applies. Can you see the shade? I'll come a little bit close by also. This is the shade blushing in multi hues, first palette. Now what I'll do is, I'll take another brush. This is the Puna store brush. Basically this is for foundation, but I like this brush to use for my blush. I'm not sure why, but I like this for blush. So blushing in berry, I'll take this blush palette. What we will do, which shade we should take? This one. We'll take this shade on the cheeks and we'll see how it applies. Can you see? This is the blushing in berry. I'll come little bit close by to the camera. This is blushing in multi hues, one shade. And this is blushing in berry, one shade. The berry palette. And this is multi hues. Can you see? Now this is the basically the demo of all the products. In the end, as I told you, I'll attach the hand swatches. On the top, like the 6 shades will be multi hues, and on the bottom the 6 shades, like the comparison top and bottom, 6 shades will be of blushing berry. So if at all you want to check which suppose the shades are getting repeated, or you want to buy both the palettes, or you just want to go for one palette, then definitely you can do that. Now what I'll do is, I'll just go to the website and I'll read little bit of the description, highlights and everything, so that if at all you don't have the phone at that time, you don't have suppose the access to app or something, you get all the information from the video itself. It is ideal for all skin types. Benefits: it is blendable, consistent shade, highly pigmented, long lasting and matte finish. This is basically the like you can say the plus points, or maybe the USP, unique selling points, or whatever you say. These are unique features of this particular blush palettes, right? Description: they say weightless formula, rich pigments, buildable formula, easy application. It is suitable for all skin types, cruelty free, paraben free, matte finish, 6-in-1 black blush palette, blendable, consistent shade, highly pigmented, again all that thing. Country of origin is India, and the manufacturer is of course Purple, because since this is available on exclusively on Purple. Yes, I'm extremely sorry, change of plan. What I have decided to show you the cheek swatches. This is blushing in multi hues. Right now you can see these are the shades. If at all you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot, or you can zoom the picture and you can check the shades. Okay, and this is blushing in berry. Can see? I'll try to come little close if at all you want. I'm not sure. Right, so basically these are the cheek swatches, because of course hand swatches I will attach, but these are the cheek swatches. If at all you like belong to similar to my skin tone, or maybe my skin color family, then this is going to be little bit beneficial for you, because swatching one shade, and I have shown you the swatches of all 6 shades. So I know I'm looking like a cartoon right now, but that's okay. Now you will ask me my final thought. Then my final thought about this blush palette, the size of the pan. I have a problem with the size of the pan, because if you check, and if you have a brush like this is a normal size okay, take this brush only, this. When you dip in this, sometimes the bristles can go in the other pan. I think I'm making some sense, because I always have a problem with the blush palettes. Whenever a company comes with a palette, they should keep little bit in mind, because this is not a mini blush palette. They say this is a blush palette, and when you talk about the blush palette, for me blush palette is this. Can you see? This is basically the blush palette. I'll show you the, of course you must have seen, this is from NYX. Can you see the size of each pan? And if you compare the size of this, I'm not sure side by side whether it will capture. See, talking about this, in this it contains 3.5 gram per shade. So whenever you dip your brush in the palette, it is like you are dipping in that particular shade only. But when you do in this, sometimes you can dip in some other shade also. If at all you are in a hurry and you want to take, it's not that you will take all the 6 shades and you'll apply on your face. You have some choice, you have some selection. So if you want to dip in one pan, it will be a problem. The same problem with me was with My Glam palette also. In that also I have discussed the same thing, that they should keep consideration the size of the blush, the palette, and also the brush which the makeup artist or person who is going to apply makeup is going to use. The size of the brush, smaller size also, it is like this. And keeping in mind, dip in this, I'll show you. I'm trying to show you. Can check. Are you getting what I want to say? If you dip in this, you can go little bit here or there. That is what my problem is. Otherwise the palette, the colors, the swatches and everything is very good. And if at all you want to buy it on discount, buy it on sale, because 1.7 grams, that is 6 palettes, and that is for 549 is a little bit, of course not costly, but then keeping the sales of Purple in mind, this is going to be costly. Because if you take this palette, this is MRP is 1500. I purchased this palette basically from some other website. I do not want to take the name and all. This is from some other website and this is from NYX. 1500 is going to be little bit, of course, expensive for a blush palette. But since I have a YouTube channel, so I do purchase because I want to compare. Like I have used this, I have shown you the palette right now just to compare. Yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you, and that is why I just popped in right now. And all you are watching till here, basically I have tried to cover each and every point. But still, if you have any query, any other question, you can let me know in the comment section. Or else you have any other video suggestions which you want to make a video, you want me to make a video on, let me know that also. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if at all you are not following me in Instagram, I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can follow me over there, and you can send your request on DM also. As I say, I'll try to fulfill your request over there. Like, I'll try to read your comments and try to respond as soon as possible. And if at all you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. And please, please, please don't go without liking the video. Yeah. Let me think. I've covered each and every point. Basically, yes. If at all forgotten anything, I'll attach a clip also. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.